Where is Vikram Sarabhai Space Center located? A. Sriharikota, B. Bengaluru, C. Tiruvananthapuram, D. Hyderabad. Correct answer is C. Tiruvananthapuram. When was the Indian Constitution implemented? A. The 15th of August 1947, B. The 26th of January 1950, C. The 2nd of October 1949, D. The 26th of November 1949. Correct answer is B. The 26th of January 1950. Which is the largest state in India by area? A. Maharashtra, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is D. Rajasthan. What is the term of office of the President of India? A. 4 years, B. 5 years, C. 6 years, D. 7 years. Correct answer is B. 5 years. In which sport did India win its first gold medal in the Olympic Games? A. Wrestling, B. Hockey, C. Shooting, D. Athletics. Correct answer is B. Hockey. Which state government recently launched the Bikshit Gaon Yojana? A. Haryana, B. Odisha, C. Bihar, D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is C. Bihar. In which year did Sunita Williams go to space for the first time? A. 1998, B. 2003, C. 2006, D. 2010. Correct answer is C. 2006. What is the total spacewalk record of Sunita Williams? A. 30 hours 20 minutes, B. 44 hours 2 minutes, C. 50 hours 40 minutes, D. 60 hours 15 minutes. Correct answer is B. 44 hours 2 minutes. Who was the first Indian martyr to receive the Paramveer Chakra? A. Major Somanath Sharma, B. Captain Vikram Batra, C. Abdul Hamid, D. Manoj Pandey. Correct answer is A. Major Somnath Sharma. In which year did Germany use poison gas against Russia during World War I? A. 1914, B. 1915, C. 1916, D. 1917. Correct answer is B. 1915. In which year was the Coca-Cola trademark first patented in the United States? A. 1886, B. 1893, C. 1900, D. 1912. Correct answer is B. 1893. In which program did President Draupadi Murmu participate as the chief guest? A. Republic Day celebrations, B. Raipur AIIMS convocation ceremony, C. Women Empowerment Conference, D. India Energy Summit. Correct answer is B. Raipur AIIMS convocation ceremony. In which year was Lala Lajpat Rai born? A. 1857, B. 1865, C. 1872, D. 1880. Correct answer is B. 1865. Who presented the Union Budget 2025? A. Arun Jaitley, B. Nirmala Sitharaman, C. P. Chidambaram, D. Rajnath Singh. Correct answer is B. Nirmala Sitharaman. Which African country became the first country to eliminate onchocerciasis, river blindness? A. Nigeria, B. Ghana, C. Niger, D. Kenya. Correct answer is C. Niger. Which Indian institute inaugurated Asia's largest shallow wave basin for coastal engineering research? A. IIT Delhi, B. IIT Mumbai, C. IIT Madras, D. IIT Kanpur. Correct answer is C. IIT Madras. Which Indian state launched Garudakshi online first system for reporting forest crimes? A. Maharashtra, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is C. Karnataka. Which Indian cricketer is going to receive the BCCI Lifetime Achievement Award? A. Virat Kohli, B. Rohit Sharma, C. Sachin Tendulkar, D. MS Dhoni. Correct answer is C. Sachin Tendulkar. Which country is hosting the 9th Asian Winter Games, the 7th to the 14th of February 2025? A. Japan, B. South Korea, C. China, D. India. Correct answer is C. China.